risk. When we are talking about risk, like they used to say, it's risky not to take a risk. So audit has risks in it, and audit risk could be detection risk, audit risk could be control risk, audit risk, inherent risk. So those are basically the three types of audit risk that we can have, and it is risky in audit if the audit evidence is not appropriate or is not sufficient. So that will arise at the end of the day to what we call as detection risk, that is inability of the audit procedure or processes to detect what it ought to detect. The control risk simply means that inability of the procedures and processes put in place by the management to detect or debar fraud from occurring, or to control what it is in existence to have achieved. And inherent risk is the risk in the business. It's a business risk that is associated with the nature of business, and we cannot dissociate from an inherent risk. So these are types of audit risk, and auditor must prepare themselves to be able to address all these risks and to ensure that they do not have greater impact on the truthfulness, fair presentation, and on the audit opinion that we are going to express, so that we will not express wrongly. Because if audit risk is in existence, to the extent to which audit risk is in existence is to that same extent that wrong opinion could be made. So auditor need to be careful and process risk very well, and put audit program to manage audit risk in place as we continue to execute. So therefore, what we are saying in essence is that audit risk is the risk that the auditor expresses an inappropriate audit opinion when the financial statements are materially misstated. So we need to be careful and guide ourselves by using our audit program to ensure that risks are detected, and we are able to actually communicate adequately on the risk observed and how to mitigate it, and guide our opinion as well. So let us talk about audit sampling. Audit sampling.